You've just got in your Mercedes Sprinter van. Turn the key, it's swanging over, but it won't start. Oh my God, you've loaded it up. Here's the problem. 15 seconds, you'll be back on the road. This is a really, really common issue. And simple stuff. Have a look over to your left-hand side. Have you got a guy sat there with big boots on? If it's a work van, you've loaded it up. The guy's feet have most probably gone underneath, behind the glove box, and caught one of the connectors in the ECU multi-plug. So pop open this passenger door and just make your way down underneath this glove box and look at that. That's the injection ECU, and that little connector plug on the end there is popped out where his big boots have kicked it. That's going to cut all the feeds to the injectors. So just pop it back in, give it a little squeeze, make sure it's all the way home, and then check all of these others. They've all got like slide lockers on them, but it's easy to kick them and loosen them and knock them out. Just make sure all the wiring's good, okay, all the plugs are together. Job's a good one. Now it'll either come all the way out or it'll just be there rattling around in its socket. Click it back in again. Job's a good one. You will not believe how common this is, and you won't believe how many people have been charged hundreds of pounds in repair bills for this silly mistake. I tell you what, it's caught out a lot of people. It's a real tricky one. If you don't know where it is and you've never come across it, you'll struggle finding it. But yeah, plug it back in. Job's a good one. So why does this one catch you out? Now, there's a few little things going on here. When you put the ignition on, you get all the dashboard lit, engine management light comes on. When you crank it over, the rev counter lifts. Now, normally if you've got an ECU problem or a wiring issue with the ECU, you don't get the engine management light on, and also you get no crank. There's no crank signal, so the rev counter won't move. But when this problem happens, you get all of the symptoms and signs that everything's in order with the injection system, but it's not. So you can go under the bonnet, you can be testing, probing, checking, and yeah, waste a lot of time when all it is that loose connector plug. I hope that sorted you out and got you out of a bit of trouble, got you back on the road. If it has, drop me a little thumbs up, like, subscribe. Thanks for watching.